man, she a real bad bitch. She ain't gotta Photoshop it.
Hey guys, this is my monthly reset video. April 2nd, it's Wednesday, and today I'm going to be getting my nails done. I'm going to get a new camera either today or tomorrow. It just depends like how much time I have and stuff. And then I need to clean my bathroom. I need to clean my room up. It's my class, guys. I'm about to listen, pay attention to that, and then we're gonna get up, get ready. My nail appointment is at 11, so I'm gonna have to leave during my class, but I can just join it on my phone. I should let you. Oh, you guys. But we're here. I forgot my tripod, y'all. Yeah. Shoot, I'm about to gonna.
Hey, that looks good.
But like, what if this look?
I mean, yeah, but like, yeah, that looks good. Girl, that looks fine. I don't know. Oh no. Yeah, I really.
I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodale and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga, I'm finna nail her ass at home. Hit it in the shot, I made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Maze, I made her tell me what she want.
Alright, y'all. I am leaving class now, trying to make it to Best Buy so we can go get this camera. Walking up, I'm a little scared. Let's just hope that everything goes well. I need this camera. I'll see you on this. Alright, let's go look over here. Yeah, I can't lie, I might have to get a GoPro like for my birthday. I don't know though, like it's just a thought. But okay, let's try to find this. Y'all look at it right there. It's so beautiful. I don't see any right here, so we're gonna have to ask someone. Y'all, oh my god, I'm about to give me a SD card because I forgot. Y'all, we got it. We got it. When I tell y'all, I've been wanting this camera since it came out. No, not even low-key. I wanted the 2 at first when it came out, but then I was like, no. But we finally got it. I was so excited. Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much. Okay. Here's a tip for y'all. I'm going to let y'all in, put y'all on a little secret, you young folks or even older folks. So I have a Best Buy credit card, so you know what that means, how credit cards work. You can buy whatever the limit is or whatever, as long as you pay back and build your credit. So that's how I started my credit, was a Best Buy credit card and not just like a regular gift card. Not like a regular credit card. My MacBook, my iPad, my Beats, my new camera. Anyways, y'all, love y'all. Nice chatting with y'all. I will see y'all when I get back. Alright guys, hey. Next for my monthly reset, I'm going to be washing my clothes and cleaning my room. I'm at the wash, and then I got these new shorts from Academy, Nike shorts. And I am going to my dad's, so we're gonna have to pack my bag as well. Damn! I gotta take my flowers away, guys. It has been since Valentine's Day, but my defense, I haven't got flowers for Valentine's Day in a minute, so I wanted to keep them. I love these flowers too. They were hard. Shout out to you who got me them. I've never got flowers like with these white things in it. They're so cute. Roses are the best flower, I don't care. So sad. Ow! not good for you, so I'm not gonna keep them. So if you use this, don't use these anymore. Now I'm going to edit my video just finished. I just need to add music and then make a thumbnail and then like a little, you know, like video for the beginning and like when I post the video. If y'all heard of liquid chlorophyll, you just do like good for detoxing and cleansing your body, weight management support, digestive support. I know I've heard people like don't wear deodorant and stuff. Like it's just, it helps with a lot of stuff, so you should try. It's good for your body, your mind, and your soul. It is green though, but like a little pepperminty, but it's not too strong. Editing so I can post this video. So the video is done. I'm just gonna save. How I do it is I screen record non-copyrighted music and then I just extract the audio because I feel like that's the easiest way. It's a new day. We're getting ready to go to the Flower Town Festival. My new highlight from I don't know. Make sure you teeth. Oh. Alright guys, so we are at the festival. I'm with my grandma and my two lovely aunts. It's might have been like 2-3 years since I came here. It's just in Somerville, I'm pretty sure. They have like rides. Y'all watch how many people you'll see whenever you turn. See guys, period. Okay, let's go. They have all kinds of stuff, y'all, so. Oh, see, I know them right there. For me, go. Looking for probably the food places we're gonna go to. I'm already hard. I had to give me a little napkin because you know I done got a little big cookies past year or two. So I mean, you know, it's a little bit. I love fancy trimmings. This is a cute shirt, y'all. Them flowers, I low-key want a tattoo of. Grandma Ali's gonna get freeze. We do have like a lot of like shops and just like little different stores, small businesses, big businesses, food places, rides, just you know, about that. We love it. I've been doing since I was little, but I haven't been in like a few years, so I'm glad that I get to come this year. I'm not looking through that.
What is that?
Oh, the bullet ones. I didn't even see those. These are cool. This deer one. I had to get that. They got these little things. I need to find my lemonade. I'm about to get some lemonade. It's not the exact lemonade, but hopefully it's still good.
Yeah.
I try to let school every day. Let me get this free.
We met up with my aunt's friend, and we're gonna walk down there. I need to find something to eat. I want something good and different. Like grandma's getting free stuff, but then she's going to the next. Yeah. I'm at this salt place. Get some kettle corn from here. My kettle corn at Daisy Freeze waiting because didn't get anything at the festival besides lemonade, and then my kettle corn.
Hello? Can you say
Miami, come on, me.
Hey guys, I'm just waiting. I'm back again with them. We're going to the rides this time. So, see if I ride them. I'm about to ride this. She wants me to ride with her. Hopefully I don't get sick.
The song is baby.
Alright, y'all. I feel sick, so let's see if I don't get sick. Trying this lemonade. I know it's gonna be busting. Look, this looks good. It's busting. Just got my grandma the shirt that she forgot and 2 stickers. Look, do you see the pigs?
You want to try that? It's not mayonnaise.
No, it's hot outside.
I noticed that tiki sauce or
You want to go? We still got some tickets left.